Hey guys, my name is Trevor Nace and you're on the How To Apps YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete a Snapchat text message. So I'm in Snapchat and I'll go over and I'll just make a new conversation with myself and I'll just say, hey. And maybe I kind of regretted saying that and I want to delete it before that person reads it. So this is, it's important to do quickly and make sure that you get, this deleted before they see it. Of course, once they see it, then they know that you sent it. But what you can do is when you're in the chat after you sent it, you can hold down and click where you want to delete that message and you'll see save in chat, snap reply, copy, or delete, and you can hit the delete button and it'll give you a little message and then another message and then it deleted it, and then you can delete this one too. Delete, and then there you go. So now that's deleted, they can't see what you actually sent. Of course, again, if they've already seen it, then you can't, prevent them from knowing what you sent, but it's important to do this quickly. Thanks guys, remember to subscribe to our channel below.